Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. Yes, honey, welcome and welcome back. So for those of you who are new to the channel, honey, welcome. You are hearing the voice of Candy Dreams, aka the saving queen herself. So of course, love, we are so glad to have you here with us and to learn with us and to save with us. Of course, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And of course, love, honey, share the love, okay? We're on the road to 100K. Not only 100K in our bank account, but also 100K subscribers, okay? So help your girl out, all right? Add me up, all right, in the subscriber count. Thank you, love. I showed you in my $20 savings challenge. I was telling you guys that I created a new way of savings or a new savings journey for me and my family. The reason why I created this particular new way of savings is because this is kind of the way that we live this year of 2020, should I say. But we took it into the new year because it was really a good habit, and we really liked the way that we were able to save the money, and we actually were able to see money, and we were able to spend money. So it really worked out well for us. So I decided, hey, you know what, let's try that again, and let's do it again next year. So I kind of started this a little late in the year, unfortunately, but this is how it goes, right? I'm gonna fold this up so you guys don't see. It is it's on pencil and paper. I told you guys, write everything down, okay? I'm really big about pen and paper. There's power in the pen and pad, girl. All right, so listen, we have what we call the 12-year or our annual plan, okay? And again, we started this in October, the end of October, okay? With this challenge, basically, I wrote down all of our expenses throughout the year, which is everything that we have to pay for throughout the year. Of course, we have the mortgage, we have gas, we have water, we have lights, and we have a couple of other things like the phone and the insurance. And basically, I just wrote everything down to let me know, okay, this is how much everything costs per year, okay? These figures are only estimates of what we have, okay? This one here is the only one that's pretty accurate, and we know it's not going to change. All of the others usually fluctuate, like the gas is usually lower in the summertime, of course, because we don't use it as much. Then you got the water bill, which it varies as well because we have a pool, and sometimes we have to refill that, and so between the lights and the water, it fluctuates a little higher and lower. So what I did, I took the highest bill that we got throughout the year, and I took it and times it by 12, and that's how I came up with these figures, okay? All in all, it looks like about $20,000, give or take, is what it takes for us to actually live our life, basically. Or $20,000 is enough for us to take care of all of our bills for the entire year, okay? Hopefully yours is a lot lower than that, and hopefully ours is going to be a lot lower than what I actually have figured out here. So hopefully at the end of this actual savings, I'm going to be able to have money to put into my new savings jar. By the way, this is my new savings journey that I'm doing, and it is the $36 savings challenge. And the reason why it's the $36 savings challenge is because I turned 36 this year, so I'm using the age journey to do my savings. So yes, please jump on board if you haven't. Basically, all you do is take your age, however old you are now or however old you are turning throughout the year, and just save that dollar amount, okay? All right, now back to the savings journey. So as you can see here, like I said, we already started. So here's where I am now, and here's what I have from last year's $20 savings challenge. I had $1,700 in all, but I took it and I divided it up because, like I was telling you guys, I do have dreams and goals that I do want to accomplish. So I'm like a serial entrepreneur. So what I did was I took it and I divided it up. Well, I took $700, okay? With the $700, I actually end up spending $100 for myself, okay? Because your girl gotta have some love too, okay? So I took $100 and I kind of balled out on myself and did some things with it. And I took the other $600, and here it is here. The $1,000, I put it towards the savings that we already have in effect or in place. And as you can see per my journal, so yes, this is the Candy Dreams journal. You're welcome to check out the website and grab you one of these very useful, handy dandy journals, right? Let me get to where I need to be really quick. Okay, so I'm going to add this to my 12-year annual plan of saving, and I'm also going to take that 1,000 and I'm going to put that in the savings jar now. So previously we had a total of $3,800. That was on one of the challenges, as you can see. Please feel free to go back and watch the challenges. The next challenge, we saved a total of $3,100, which could be vice versa. But anyway, in all, we had a total of $6,900. So by adding the $1,000 to it, we now have a grand total of $7,900 in savings. Okay, that's just saving regular money. Okay, that's just saving, because we do have a total of 6 categories. So we have the phone, we have the gas, we have the water, we have the insurance, lights, and the mortgage. Let's go ahead and take our first 100 and put it into the mortgage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's $100. We're gonna add that into the mortgage. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's $100. I'm gonna go ahead and add that into the lights. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's $100. And I'm gonna go ahead and add that into the insurance. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add that into the water. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add that one into the gas. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add that into the phone bill. All right. Okay, so because I know this is gonna get really thick, especially if I'm saving $20, for some reason it seems like the ATM only wants to give us $20 or $100 bill, but I'm gonna start going in a little more, I guess, so I can get larger bills, and this way I could take it to the bank and deposit it really easily. I'll update you guys with that video. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and don't forget to like it and share it. Okay,